Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Today we will learn how oats can help you to lose weight within short span of time. Oats is one of the healthiest grain. It is loaded with vital vitamins, minerals, fiber and others. Oat is rich in specific types of antioxidant which are only found in it. This specific antioxidants helps to increase the production of nitric oxide. Oats help to lower cholesterol level in the body. It improves blood sugar control, hence good for diabetic patients. This incredible nutritious food are good source of carb and fiber. Moreover, it is very filling, can be perfect option for people who want to lose weight. Let's not waste time and quickly move to the recipe. Ingredients: half apple, half cup of milk, 2 or 3 dates, 1 cup oats and 1 cup water. First, wash the apple and cut in without peeling the skin. Like this. Then remove seeds from dates and cut them into small pieces. Like this. Now take a pan and add a bowl of oats to it. Roast it on medium flame for 5 minutes. Like this. Then add 1 cup of water, half cup of milk, apples, and dates. Now cover it with a plate and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Now it is ready. Take it out in a bowl and enjoy it. It is generally recommended to eat oats early in the morning. Hope you try yourself now. Thank you.